Welcome, this is Motorola Moto G24 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first open the home screen, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we could create a new home screen folder. Also you could add more applications here by the same way, just hold it up and drag it to the folder. To give a name or rename the folder, enter the new one on the name and that's it. If you want to move folder on the screen and between the screens, just hold and drag it. To remove application from here, hold it and drag it to remove icon, or just if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, drag it to the home screen. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together, just hold and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.